Good morning. I'm glad that you're here with me today. I just thought we would take this time to figure out how to use the math editor. So hopefully today's assignment is really easy for you guys, and a lot of you probably could have even figured this out without me. But just to kind of show you, this is how you do it. So the first question here says, please enter -2, and then it's got all of this, right? All of this craziness. I'm going to show you how to enter that using the math editor on CMS. Go ahead and get into this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select this menu for math option or math symbols, okay? And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to type in, and notice I don't have any numbers. So honestly, we got a negative sign here, we got a minus sign. Let's go ahead, like negative, right? And then I'm going to enter on my keyboard 2, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to put in a radical, okay, the square root. Now, I really want the one here that has a little n on it so that I can enter that 2/3, right? So I'm going to go ahead, select that. And in there, I want to put a fraction. So I'm going to select the fraction symbol. And that'll let me put in 2 and then go down and then 3, okay? Now I can click inside underneath the radical, and I want to put in x. So I type on my keyboard x, but I want to put it to the exponent of. And so I'm going to go ahead here, and I want this where it says exponent, y to the x power. And now I can type in 8. Okay? And ladies and gentlemen, this is how you enter this one. Okay? Let's go to the next. And right here, we're going to start off. If I know I have like a big fraction, then I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to open up my math symbols and start off with my big fraction. And on the top, I'm going to type all of this in. So I'm going to type in 5 on my keyboard. I have an x, but I want an exponent of 1/2. So I go over here to exponent. And I want it to be a fraction. So I'm going to select the fraction one. And I have 1, and I hit down and 2. So it's the little arrow button down. Now it's really important that when you're out of here, you have to get out of the exponent. So you go to the right. So I'm hitting the right arrow. And again, 2 times. I just want to make sure I'm like out of the exponent. Now I'm going to type in y. And I want to make sure that my y looks about the same level as x. It does. I want another exponent. Exponent, there we go. And I'm typing 4. Now I'm ready to go to the bottom, and I'm going to type in z, and I want to put in an exponent of 2. I type in 2. Are there other ways to do this? Absolutely, yes. And then I click out. I just want to double check everything looks the way I want it to look. Good. All right. So I hope this helps. This is going to be absolutely necessary to know how to do in the upcoming exam. There will be a free response, and you will be expected to know how to use the math editor in CMS. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me today, and you have a fabulous, fabulous day. Bye-bye.